I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a gripper that challenges you for 4-6 solid reps. This gives a safe, productive load. Once chosen, warm your fingers and wrist for 3-5 minutes with light flexes to increase blood flow. Then position your hand, thumb on one handle and your 4 fingers on the other, keeping the wrist neutral and elbow close to your body. Now close the gripper slowly until handles touch, hold briefly, and release under control to complete 1 repetition. You should close the gripper with a deliberate 2-3 second tempo so you feel muscles engage. This controls momentum and builds strength. Once closed, hold for 1-2 seconds to maximize time under tension, then release over 2-3 seconds. Make sure to exhale as you close and inhale as you release to stabilize your core. Keeping other muscles relaxed prevents compensations. Aim for 3-5 sets, resting 60-90 seconds between sets to recover, but maintain intensity. You finish by performing a light cool-down set or a reverse grip stretch for a minute to reduce tightness. This helps recovery. For progress, increase reps gradually, move to a stiffer gripper, or train grip twice per week. Consistency beats sudden jumps. Once done, log reps and perceived effort so you can adjust next session. Troubleshooting. If you feel sharp pain or joint pinch, stop immediately, reduce load, and recheck wrist alignment. If pain persists, see a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.